Alrighty, welcome back to iTel Technologies. Now in this tutorial number 3, we will be going through the rectangular marquee tool. Here it is right here, second on the tab, right? So what we'll do first is that we're going to open a new canvas as usual. We're going to open a new canvas and we'll be using the letter size. So the name first will be flyer 1. And the size, it will be in inches because it's a flyer and we want the best outcome for the print resolution. So we'll set it to the letter size 8.5 as the width, and as the height it will be 11 inches and the resolution will be 300. Same color mode and same background contents. Select on OK and the canvas will appear. Alright, now to zoom in, because it may be a bit distant. Now to zoom in on our canvas, what you'll do is to hold down on Control or Command key depending if it's Apple or Windows. Hold down on it and you'll realize the difference. So now we're selected on the Marquee tool right now, right? This is the Move tool. This is the Marquee tool. Now when we hold on the Command key or on Control, we will select our plus sign right beside backspace. And it really depends on how your keyboard is situated. Select on the plus sign and we can zoom all the way in. Select on the minus sign, just left of the plus sign, below the F function keys, and that's where you'll be able to toggle, zoom in and out. Right? Okay, let's get right into it. Now for the selection marquee tool, the rectangular marquee tool, or it depends on which one you're currently on. To get this option, you're going to right click, right? Select on it, right click, and you'll have the option. Now what the rectangular, or rather what the marquee tool does, is that it really changes the shapes and it gives you the option to shade colors into shape selections. Now let me show you what I mean. Let's start with the rectangular marquee tool. You select on the left click and drag your mouse across until you get the size of the shape that is desired by you. Select on it and you'll get a shape. Now remember, we don't want the shape to be shaded on our background layer. We want to create a new layer. Select create new and you'll have a new layer called layer 1. The background layer, remember it's locked, so it would not be layer 1. So layer 1 is where the shape will be shaded. And to give it a color, you'll go over here, select on this. So this is the foreground color, and this one is the background color. Foreground, background. Now here you have the option to change the swatches. You can change the color to virtually any color. So this color now looks like magenta, and we are going to select on it. This is the color we'll be shading in. Now to shade in the shape, the selection shape, done by the Marquee tool, you hold down Alt and you'll select backspace. Alt and backspace shades in the shape of the selection. Right? Now to remove this moving line right here, it shows that a shape has been selected and formed. All you have to do is hold down Control or the Command key and select the letter D. And there you have it, a beautiful shape. Now we're going to be using all of the marquee tools just to show you how they work and some stuff that you can do with it. Right click, elliptical marquee tool, left click, drag the arrow across, you will get a shape selection, change the color. You'll be using red, or let's say blue, ice blue, or bright blue, or some of us call it sky blue. Alright, and then we will Alt plus backspace, shades in on shape. There you have it. Control or Command plus D, the letter D, removes the selection. Add a new layer. Right click on the Marquee Tool, and we'll be using single row Marquee Tool. We will right click, pull this down right there. There you have it. Now with this one, basically what it does is that, as it states, it's a single row, it's a single row selection tool. So in the event that you have a row, what this will do is to single out one of the rows and distinguish it, really. Alright, now in upcoming tutorials I'll show you more on how to use this and in what occasion or situation you would have used a single row marquee tool. It's basically the same thing for the column row marquee tool, right? It's vertical and horizontal. One's vertical and one's horizontal, right? And that's basically it for this one, guys. And as shown before, we can use the move tool and move around anything that we are or anything on a particular layer that we're currently on. So the square is on layer 1. So to move the square, select on layer 1 and move it with the move tool, right? And to select the circle, as you can see, we cannot move the circle unless we're on layer 2, which the circle is on. And there we go. Move the circle and create something, right? And there you have it. Right away, this could be actually a logo for some establishment or even a corporation product, right? And most time, guys, graphics is created through mistakes. So let's say you had a vision and you didn't expect to create, because I honestly didn't expect to create this, and it looks alright. Graphics are most times created through mistakes, and some of the most beautiful graphics are most times created through mistakes, and it's created unintentionally, right? But you just gotta flow with it, and you just gotta sometimes let the art lead you. Sometimes be the art and let it lead you. You'll make mistakes, but flow. Just continue with the mistake and put the pieces together, and you'll never know. Because I honestly did not know I was going to create this right here. Right, and as simple as this is, this can be something beautiful, right? Now I think I'm going to create something with this, maybe a logo, and I am going to show you how to do that in our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for making it iTel Technology. Like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.